Hey everyone, welcome back to SkySolution. If you're planning to build a mobile app, you've probably wondered about the cost. Today, I'm breaking down the 10 key factors that influence your app development budget. Let's get started. Building a mobile app isn't a one-size-fits-all process. The final cost depends on various factors. Let's dive into the most significant ones. First up, development approach. Are you going native, cross-platform, or hybrid? Each has different cost implications. Platform selection: iOS, Android, or both. Developing for multiple platforms increases costs. App complexity and features. Simple apps are cheaper than those with advanced features like AI or AR. UI/UX design. Custom high-quality design is more expensive than using templates. Third-party integration, integrating external services like payment gateways or social media adds to the cost. Technologies and infrastructure. The tech stack used and required server infrastructure impact the budget. App security and compliance. Implementing robust security measures and adhering to regulations adds to the expense. Development team. The location, experience, and size of your team influence hourly rates. Post-launch maintenance and updates. Ongoing support and updates are essential and add to the overall cost. Project management approach. Agile or waterfall. The methodology affects efficiency and cost. Let's elaborate on a couple of key points. App complexity can range from a simple calculator to a complex social media platform. More features mean more development time and therefore higher costs. Also, your development team's location plays a huge role. For example, developers in North America or Western Europe typically have higher hourly rates than those in other regions. Let's talk best practices to manage costs. Clearly define your app's scope. Prioritize features and build an MVP, minimum viable product. Choose a cost-effective development approach. Plan for post-launch maintenance. Get detailed quotes from multiple developers. Understanding these factors is crucial for budgeting your app development project. By making informed decisions, you can create a fantastic app without breaking the bank. What are your experiences with app development costs? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to SkySolution for more insights into the world of technology. Thanks for watching.